Total surface area of a cube.
4L square.
Total surface. Anlia, I can't hear. Once again say.
Ma'am, 6L square.
6L square. Okay. So dear
6L
students, we are
square.
going. Okay. So we have studied lateral surface area and total surface area of a cube. Lateral surface area of a cube is 4L square, where L is the length of one edge, one side, and total surface area of a cube is 6L square. Okay. Now write the question. This we did, isn't it? This question we did or not? Bricks are painted.
No, ma'am.
No. And what about this one? Okay, write this one. Find the side of a cube. Write the question. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. 600 centimeters square. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square.
Ma'am, we should find both lateral and total.
1 second. Just gone. Okay. Question: find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. What is the formula for surface area of a cube? Surface area of a cube is surface area of cube is equal to
Ma'am, 4.
surface area. Surface area means total surface area.
Total
Not
6.
6. If it is not mentioned lateral surface area, we will take as total surface area. Here they are simply says surface area of a cube. It is total surface area. So 6L square. It is given 6L square equal to 600 centimeter square. So L square equal to 600 divided by 6 equal to 100. So L square equal to 100. L equal to
100 by 2.
L square equal to 100. When we multiply two numbers, we are getting 100. So which was that
100
number?
into 100. 100 into 100.
100 into 100 is 100.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 10 into 10.
10 into 10. When we multiply, L equal to 10, L square equal to 100. 10 into 10. When we multiply 10 twice, that is L twice, L square. L square is...
Ma'am, we should multiply it now.
Multiply.
Ma'am, before question we have done like this. 4 into 8 into like that we should do 6 into 600 into 600.
No, surface area is given, not length. The surface area is 600. So 6L square is 600, Mithun.
Can you explain again this question?
Yes, listen. Given that the surface area is 600, not length. Length of a side. Surface area is 600. That is 6L square equal to 600. So L square will be 600 by 600. L square is 100. L square means we are multiplying L twice. L into L. So we need to think by which number when we multiply twice, we will get 100. It will be 10. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right, next question. Rukser painted the outside of a cupboard of measure 1 meter by 2 meter by 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cupboard? Question number 4, 11.3. Exercise 11.3, question number 4 it is. Exercise 11.3, question number 4. Ruxar painted the outside of cupboard. A cupboard is in the shape of, cupboards are in the shape of a, Dion, what is the shape of cupboards?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Okay, good. So, we are painting that cuboidal box. We are painting all the 4 sides and top. Bottom we are not painting. So, we will find the total surface area. From that, we will subtract the bottom area. Okay. We are going to find the total surface area of the cupboard. From that, we can subtract the bottom area because we are not painting on the bottom surface. Okay. So, total surface area of cuboid equal to formula?
6L.
Ma'am, 2 into LB plus BH plus BH plus HL.
In bit, HL. In between somebody told 6L square. It is not that. Don't confuse with the cuboid and cube. Okay. So what will be the bottom? Bottom is not painting. Okay. The bottom of cupboard is not painted. Bottom of the cupboard is not painted. Therefore, required area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. From the total area, we need to subtract the area of the base. What will be the area of the base? Area of the base will be what?
Ma'am, base means down.
Down. Base, down. That portion we are.
Ma'am,
It will be.
length.
It will be. Shankari. Rectangle. So its area will be
1 into 2.
L into B. So that we are subtracting. LB we are subtracting. From the total area, we are subtracting the area of the base. And it is LB. Understood all of you this step? Why we are subtracting LB? Shravani, understood?
Ma'am, can you explain?
Sure. We have a cupboard and we need to paint all parts of the cupboard except the base. Okay. So what we wrote first, we wrote the total surface area of the cuboid. Total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. It includes the 6 faces. But we are painting only the 5 faces. Base we are not painting. That bottom portion we are not painting. So we need to, from the total area, we need to subtract the area of the base. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So total is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. From that, we are subtracting the area of the base. It is LB. Okay. Now we can substitute. Everything is given. L equal to 1 meter. Base equal to 2 meter. And height equal to 1.5 meter. Substitute 2 into 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 1 minus 1 into 2. Find out how much it is. 2 into 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1.5 is 3 plus 1.5 minus 2. It is equal to 2 into, in bracket what? Bracket 2 plus 3 plus
6.5.
65.
6.5,
6.5.
6.5, not 65, 6.5. 6.5. So it is equal to 2 into 6.5 is
14.
so this
Ma'am,
is equal to
6.5 into 2, 13.
13 minus 2, 11 centimeter square. Therefore, total surface area
Ma'am,
to
it
be
is centimeter.
hmm?
Centimeter, meter in this meter.
Okay, so meter square, 11 meter square only, not centimeter, because the question is given as cupboard. No, cupboard one, we won't make a cupboards with 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So it is meters, sorry.
Ma'am,
11,
ma'am, can you explain the lateral surface area and total surface area of the cube?
cube.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who asked this question?
Hungary.
Okay, Shankari. Shankari, can you see this cube?
Yes, ma'am.
Cube has how many faces, Shankari?
6.
6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side faces are, how many side faces, Shankari?
4.
4. And each face has an area L square. L square, L square, L square, L square. 4 L squares, lateral surface area. Understood? L square plus L square plus L square plus L square. The area of 4 sides. Each side the same area. So 4L square lateral surface area. Understood, Shankari? Okay. Now for getting the total surface area, this 4L square along with the top and bottom. So 4L square plus 1L square plus 1L square on bottom. So 4 plus 2, 6L square. The total surface area of a cube is 6L square. Lateral surface area of a cube is what, Shankari?
4L square.
4L square. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question. Next question. Write the question. Exercise 11.3, fifth question. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall whose length, breadth, height are 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans is needed to paint the room? How many cans are needed to paint the room? Devika, read the question.
Yes, ma'am. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth, and height of 15 meter, 10 meter, and 7 meter.
Hmm.
From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted.
Hmm.
And how many cans of the paint is needed to paint the room?
Okay. So Devika, Daniel is painting the hall. Which sides he will paint? Which of the sides he will paint? Hmm? Which of the sides he will paint? Shivanya?
Ma'am,
Ah.
each can of paint 100 meter of area is painted.
Each can, from one can of paint, we can paint 100 meter square of area. Shivanya, Daniel is painting a hall. Which of the sides he will paint? Imagine, you are asked to paint a room. So which of the sides we will paint, Shivanya? Hmm? Do we paint all the sides of that room? Where we won't paint, or which of the sides we will paint?
Ma'am, the walls we will paint. Four walls.
Walls and
The ceiling.
ceiling. Walls and the ceiling, we will paint the walls and the ceiling. So area to be painted are the walls, 4 walls and ceiling. So write that area to be painted. Area to be painted. Painted is equal to 4 walls plus ceiling. 4 walls plus ceiling. 4 walls plus ceiling. 4 walls means it is the area. Which area, Shivanya? 4 walls means it is the?
Cube.
Huh?
Cube.
4 walls means it is a cube. It is a cuboidal hall. Even that is a cuboidal hall. So 4 walls means it is which area it is? The 4 walls of a cuboid means?
Lateral surface area.
Lateral
Ma'am,
surface area.
2h into L plus B.
2h into L plus B. All of you look around the 4 walls of your room. 4 walls. Your room also is in a cuboidal room. So 4 walls means it is the lateral surface area of cuboid. Understood, Shivanya? Shivanya, you understood?
And her voice is some connectivity problem.
What is the confusion with the walls and cuboid? That hall is in the shape of a cuboid. So 4 walls means it's the 4 sides. Okay. So it is the lateral surface area. So it is equal to 2h into L plus B. And what is the area of the ceiling? All of you look above.
Total surface area.
Safa did. Okay, Safa. What is the total surface area of that ceiling? Say. Look at the ceiling. It has. What is the shape of the ceiling, Safa? Shape of the ceiling is what, Safa? Tia, what is the shape of the ceiling? Ceiling is then the shape of? Square. All sides are equal for your room.
Rectangle.
It is a rectangular hall, no? So it's rectangular hall has a rectangular ceiling. So what is its area? LB. So So it is equal to, and measurements are given. L equal to
Ma'am, why we are again taking LB? 2H into L plus B plus LB.
LB ceiling. 2H into L plus B is only that 4 walls. Ceiling also we are painting. So ceiling has an area L into B. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, I don't understand. Can you explain?
okay. Mithun, you just look at your ceiling. Ceiling. What is the shape of that ceiling, Mithun?
Ma'am, so many kinds are there. Some
I'm
differences.
I'm asking the room where you're sitting. What is the shape? It is the shape
I
of
am not sitting in the room.
where you're sitting
Stairs under
outside.
spaces.
Okay, anyway, Mithun, a cuboidal hall. Can you imagine a cuboidal hall?
Yes,
Imagine it.
yes.
It is a cuboidal hall. So its floor, shape of its floor is what? What is the shape of the floor?
Ma'am, rectangle.
Rectangle. So what is the shape of the ceiling?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So we need to paint the area of the 4 walls and area of the ceiling. Area of the 4 walls is lateral surface area, 2H into L plus B. And area of the ceiling will be
L into B.
L into B. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 10 meter and H is equal to 7 meter. So 2 into 7.
Ma'am, answer is 5. 5.
Side.
5 can.
Height 7. Height
Ma'am,
is
can.
given. Huh?
Ma'am, can.
Huh?
Can. I'm painting cans.
Okay, we will come to that point. First, you find the area first. I will explain. 2 into 7 into 15 plus 10 plus LB means 15 into 10. Find out this.
500. 500.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 500.
Okay. 14 into 25 plus
350 plus
150. Correct. 350 plus
350 plus 150. Ma'am,
500.
500.
meter
500.
square. Good. 500 meter square. Using 1 can of paint, we can divide 100 meter square area.
Yes.
Okay. So for painting 500 meter square, how many
5
cans
cans.
we need?
5.
500 by 100. So 5. Okay. So since, write the steps. Since 1 can of paint, 1 can of paint covers 100 meter square. 100 meter square area. It is given. Therefore, number of cans required to cover number of cans required to cover 500 meter square is equal to 500 by 100. Equal to how many cans?
5 cans.
5 cans. You should write the steps. Write all the steps and finally find out what was the question. Write the answer to the question. Here they are asked to find the cans. So you have to write. We need 5 cans of paint to cover 500 meter square area, or 5 cans of paint is needed to cover.
Abhinav is trying to say something.
Abhinav, what did you say? Where is Abhinav? What happened, Abhinav?
Hello, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay.
Ma'am, can I show the question one more? Question.
Question you want, Abhinav, or the answer?
Question.
Yes.
Question.
Kashambalam.
Over.
There was Kashambalam. Sorry.
Over, Abhinav.
He need the question.
The question is this one. Question is there in your book. All of you have your books with you now. Exercise 11.3, question number 5. It is. So next we are going to study about cylinders. Write the heading cylinder.
And the last questions.
Devika, Alan Joy, Varada, Thomas Chaco, Rolgar, Alina, no videos. Devika, Varada, Alina Varghese.
Switch on your videos, all of you. Alina. Cylinder. Okay. Okay, Michelle, how many faces are there for a cylinder? Cylinder, Michelle, how many faces? Three faces. Krishnaveni, how many faces are there for a cylinder?
Ma'am, 2.
2 faces. Devika, how many faces are there for a cylinder? 2. Prarthana, what about you?
Ma'am, 2.
Thomas Chaco,
Ma'am, 2.
how many faces are there for a cylinder? Thomas Chaco?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Gino, what about you? How many faces are there?
Ma'am, two.
Hmm?
Two.
Evelyn? Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the cylinder? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
How many faces are there?
Ma'am, one.
Only one face. Abhishek?
Ma'am, two.
2 faces. Which are they, Abhishek? Which are the 2 faces?
In the front.
This one, top. Okay. This one. You mean this, the top? Huh?
Yes.
Then?
Back.
Top. Okay. Then?
Back.
Bottom.
Okay.
Okay. So only these, only a top and bottom is there for a cylinder. Nothing else. So can you say this
Ma'am,
is,
3-dimensional.
can you say this is a cylinder?
No, ma'am.
It has top and bottom. It has top and bottom. Is it a cylinder?
No, ma'am.
So Prarthana.
Ma'am.
So how many faces are there, Prarthana?
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 3.
Gino?
Ma'am, 1.
Gino? 1.
Ma'am, 3.
No. How many faces are there for a cylinder?
Ma'am, 3.
Wait. Shankari says 3. What about Gino?
Two.
2. He's on 2. Okay. Safa, how many faces are there?
3.
3. Which are they? Tell me. Which
Top.
are the 3 faces? At top. Then? Top is there.
Both are there.
Top. Then Safa, tell me, top face is there. This is a face. Then? It's only one face. You said 3.
Ma'am, 2 faces.
Ma'am, 2 and 3 faces.
Aha.
What?
How 2 and 3 faces? What was
3
that?
dimensions.
Okay, we are studying three-dimensional
Ma'am,
figures.
one open
What
face
everything is
and one
studied
closed
three-dimensional.
face.
Huh? What was?
Ma'am, one open face and closed face.
Open face and closed face.
Ma'am, 2 are there, down and up.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
2.
but okay, Michelle told 3 faces. Where is Michelle? Michelle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You said there are 3 faces for a cylinder. Which are they?
Ma'am, the middle one.
Middle one. Middle means middle one means what is the middle? Okay, you are showing that this face, isn't it? Isn't it, Michelle? Okay, he is showing that middle one. Okay, isn't this? Then middle one,
And the top.
top
Top and down.
and bottom, top and bottom. This is a curved face.
Ma'am, I
The
said no,
cylinder.
3-dimensional.
Yeah, okay. This is a curved face. This is a face and this is a curved face of a cylinder. So cylinder has 3 faces: top, bottom, and a curved surface. Okay, for our cubes, I will show you the cube. Cube has 6 faces: top, bottom. Easily you said a cube has 6 faces. You don't have any confusion. Okay, 6 faces. This the lateral face area we studied already. Okay, 4 faces are there on sides. Lateral surface area includes the 4 faces. The same way, cylinder also have a curved lateral surface area or lateral area. Usually we will say curved area. Okay, for cuboid and cube, we will say lateral area or lateral surface area. For the cylinder, we can say either lateral surface area or curved area, curved surface area. So a cylinder has 3 faces: top, bottom, and the curved surface. Okay. So Krishnaveni, how many faces are there for a cylinder? Krishnaveni, how many faces are there for a cylinder? Louder. Show your fingers how many faces are. I can't hear you. Okay. 3 faces. Thomas Tuck understood how 3 faces comes. Okay. Now we will move to find the curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder. I think our time is up, isn't it? Okay, students, for the next class, we will study how to find the curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, we will meet the next class. We have
Ma'am.
one, yes?
Can you send some questions based on cube and cuboid?
Sure. Okay, today I will send because today we completed cube and cuboid, isn't it? No. Today
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
send questions based on. And one more thing, Friday you will have a class test on from the beginning of this chapter up to cube and cuboid. Okay.
And this
Ma'am, like MCQ.
Not MCQ. Okay. I will send the link. You have to write the find the answer and write it. Not an MCQ. Okay, because our questions are lengthy questions.
Where we should write?
That I will tell you later. You study and come.
Okay, ma'am.
this chapter first onwards to cube.
No, this chapter mensuration from the beginning to from the
Cube.
area of polygons, then area of the shapes cube and cuboid. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Questions I will send you. Home practice questions I will send today from cube and cuboid.
Okay.
Friday, don't forget. Friday is the exam day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye,
bye,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.